Hello, this is Ryan from the Linkosaurus training team. And in this video, we're gonna show how to download review stats into an Excel file. So from the dashboard view, you're gonna go to reviews, and then you can select any one of the options. You can do it from the inbox feature if you wanna focus on downloading information from inbox, awaiting, approval, or replied. Any one of these, you can do the exact same feature. You're going to want to make sure you select the date range that is important to you. Also go through all your filtering so you have exactly what you want to download visible down below. Then all you have to do is click the Excel icon right here. Your Excel document will download. Click to open it. And you will have all your information here. You'll have your location information, if you have a group assigned, the original review date, the most recent review date, the reply date, the reply time, your average reply time, who the reviewer was, so basically the person that gave you the review. If the review was edited, you will have a original star rating, then the edited star rating, the star rating changed. So in this example, this was changed from a 5 to a 1, which gives us a 4-star decrease. Reply sent. So if it says awaiting response, that means it's still waiting for someone to reply. If it has been replied, it's either going to show the email address of the person that submitted the reply, or if it says Linkosaurus, that would have been an automated reply. Here is the comments. Here are the replies. And that is all the information you have from this download. If you have any other questions, you can always go to your profile and under support, you can reach out to a Linkosaurus team member who will be there to assist. And as always, link and soar with us.